Replacing a pump and a pressure washer is fairly simple if you get the right pump. There's usually just 3 bolts. Take those out. It separates the motor, the body, and the pump from each other. Put the new one on there and send it on its way. This one, I wasn't so lucky, and I was having trouble with the new pump fitting, and I'll show you what I did to fix the problem. Enjoy the video. I'm working on this Troy-built pressure washer, and I'm putting a new pump on it. Guy brought me the pump that he bought off Amazon, and said, "Here it is. Can you put this on for me?" And I'm like, "Yeah." I thought it'd be about 15 minutes. I'd be done with it, you know. It ain't working out that way. Okay, I'll show you the problem I'm having. If I line everything up, and let's put the pump on there again. Everything's laying flat, but if you see right here, this leg is hitting the bottom part of the engine, and there's a good 3/8 inch gap right there. You can't bolt it together like that. And I've got the same problem over here on this side with this little tab sticking up here, but the gap is much smaller. But there's still a gap there. I could put a bunch of washers in there and space it out, but I've got another idea. This is an old style sump. They used to put a plug in here. They would tap it out, put a plug in here so you could drain the oil. We're not going to be draining any oil, so we'll take this thing and grind it away. Let's try it out. Looks good. All right, it fits. We can go ahead and bolt it down. Best way to do this is just like you see it here. Got it upside down. And this way you're not fighting gravity, trying to push the pump up. Make sure all your gas is out of it. It does still have oil in it. So you may want to drain that. But if you tilt it back the right way, you shouldn't lose any oil. Get all my bolts started, and then we tighten everything up. I don't have any water to test the pump, but I'm pretty sure it works, and that's on him. If it doesn't, you'll just have to pay me again to put another one on there, send that back and get him another one. But we'll see if, at least if she turns over. Yeah, sounds good. It's not leaking any gas. It did have a leak before, and out of the kindness of my heart, I went ahead and fixed it. Needed a new gasket on the bottom of the bolt, but I'm always reluctant to do things like that. No good deed goes unpunished. A lot of times when you go that extra mile like that, it comes back and bites you in the butt. Sometimes you just get into a hornet's nest. But anyway, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. Got a lot of videos up there, and I got a lot more coming. Ring that notification bell and you'll get notified as soon as I put them up. Remember to stay safe in the shop, wear all your protective gear, and have fun. Thank you for watching.